In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview your GoDaddy website before publishing. Start by signing in to your GoDaddy account. Once you are logged in, open your website dashboard so you can access the site you want to review. From there, go to the Websites Plus Marketing section and choose the website you want to preview. If you want to adjust text, images, sections, or layout, go ahead and make those changes now so you can preview the latest version of your site. When your edits are ready to review, look to the top right area of the editor. You will see the Preview button there. Click Preview to open a live preview of your website. Once the preview loads, begin by checking the desktop view. This helps you confirm that your layout looks clean and organized on a larger screen. Review the text, images, buttons, menus, and page spacing. Make sure everything appears the way you want visitors to see it. Next, if GoDaddy gives you the option to switch views, check the tablet and mobile preview modes as well. This is an important step because many visitors will view your website on smaller devices. Look closely at how your content stacks, how your images resize, and whether your navigation remains easy to use. As you move through the preview, click through your pages and test your links. This gives you a better idea of the full visitor experience. Make sure each page loads correctly, the navigation flows smoothly, and the content is easy to read. If your website includes contact buttons, service pages, or calls to action, review those carefully too. After you finish checking the preview, click back to Editor to return to the website builder. From there, you can continue making changes if something needs to be fixed or improved. If everything looks correct and you are happy with the result, you can move forward and publish your website. Previewing your site before publishing is a simple but important step. It helps you catch design issues, formatting problems, and mobile display concerns before your visitors ever see them. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.